hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the
Royal family, we back with another one, y'all. It's good to be back, but we gotta go to the hair salon, because this ain't it. I don't even know what this is, honey. This is giving, you know better. Quit playing with the people. So we get ready to go see David, and we get ready to go let him work a miracle, because baby, this is not it. What? Ooh. See, right now I'm playing, and I don't need to be playing, not with my hair, okay? So y'all, I'll see y'all at the nail salon. Love you.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and...
All right, Royal family. I'm back, y'all. When my hair is not right, I can't function. I don't know. But I am so in love with this. I love this hair, y'all. Shout out to David, y'all. He's amazing. I love him, and I love my hair. Y'all, I gotta get some gas, okay?
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice. We time. You, I know how.
Shout out to Lux Nails. Oh my goodness. Anna, girl, you did that. Thank you, Anna. My nails are absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love them. Y'all, something about them nails. I gotta have them nails, okay? But it's time to run some errands. So, Royal family, let's go. Okay, Royal family. So, y'all, why y'all didn't tell me? Why y'all didn't tell me? Oh, if you're new here, go on and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. But y'all know how we do it. I'm going to jump right into it. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me? Y'all been holding back. Y'all. Okay. Y'all see, I'm getting excited. You like, what is she talking about? Y'all, ever since really my mommy passed away, you know, I really struggle with sleeping well at night, and y'all, the bags was just coming, getting up under these eyes, the dark circles. I was like, I gotta find something to help me with these bags. God helping me with the resting, but I said I need a product to go up under these eyes because these circles is just dark. So y'all, I've been using it for about 2.5 weeks, and I wish I would have recorded a video with no makeup on so y'all can see. Y'all see this? Let me get it. Y'all, I've been using this in the morning and the night. It's the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cream. Y'all, it is getting so much better. I'm so excited about this product. I use it in the morning and in the night, and y'all, I mean, it's just looking, the darkness is leaving. It's not looking so tired. So I'm gonna come back on in about 2 more weeks so y'all can see. I really wish I would have recorded a video so y'all could see the difference. So sis, if you got them dark circles and you want the puffiness and all that to go away, go get you some. And yes, this was $10. Like, to me, you can't beat that. I'm loving the results. $10. I've been using it, like I said, for about 2.5 weeks. Just a little dab. Look, wrong finger. Y'all know I done told y'all, use your ring finger because it's the lightest finger when you're dealing with like up under your eye area. The ring finger is the lightest finger. that you have. And y'all know gravity is always pulling down, and honey, we trying to go up. You know, we trying to keep the skin right. And y'all, why y'all didn't tell me about this right here, y'all? The butter gloss. The butter gloss. The butter gloss by NYX, y'all. It's hitting. It's simply amazing. I love it. And you need to go out and get you some. Okay, you need to go out and get you some. You need to get you some of this Elf. And you need to get you some of this butter gloss. And y'all, we're gonna do Vlogmas. We're going to do it. I've been getting my little content ideas together. Royal family, we're gonna pop off and do it. Okay, we're gonna pop off and do it. So y'all get ready. I'm ready. Y'all get ready. If you're still watching this video, y'all know what to do. Hold on. Y'all know I gotta have that water. It's something about that water. If you're still watching, go on and hit the subscribe button. Y'all, it's a little time left in this year, and I'm gonna keep saying it. If it's something you want to start, a business, if it's a weight loss journey, a YouTube channel, anything you want to do, you can do it. I believe in you, Royal family. I'm praying for you. Y'all, let's make it pop. Let's make it do what it do. In 2021, getting ready to spring forward into 2022 with hopes, dreams, desires. Honey, whether it's you wanting love, romance, finance, new house, new car, new business, whatever it is, if it came into your mind, friends, family, you can achieve it, okay? You can achieve it. I never thought our channel would be where it is right now, but it is. It is. It was a dream. It was a dream. Okay, hello. 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 Come close. Come close. Y'all, you can do it. I'm Nikki J. Royal family, y'all know I love you. Toodles, and I'm out.